Fast food chains are hiding secrets from you to make you spend more money. But today, I'm revealing 4 insane fast food hacks that will save you cash and get you fresh food every single time. Number 3 will completely change how you order coffee. First up, McDonald's. If you love the Big Mac but hate the price, stop ordering it. Instead, ask for a double cheeseburger. But here is the trick. Tell them to add Big Mac sauce and shredded lettuce and remove the ketchup and mustard. You get the exact same taste, but you save almost $3. It's called the poor man's Big Mac, and it works every time. Next, let's talk about Starbucks. Did you know you can get free refills? If you have the Starbucks app and you register a rewards card, you can get free refills on brewed coffee or tea during the same visit. It doesn't matter what your original drink was. Just sit inside, do your work, and when you're done, go get your free iced coffee.
Moving on to Subway. When you order a foot-long sub, pay attention to how they cut the bread. Ask them for the old cut or a V-cut. Instead of slicing it sideways, they cut a trench from the top. This holds way more meat, veggies, and sauce without making a mess, giving you a much bigger sandwich.
And finally, let's talk about the ultimate French fry hack that fast food chains absolutely hate. Look, nobody wants to pay hard-earned money for cold, soggy, and leftover fries that have been sitting under a heat lamp for hours. If you want to guarantee that your fries are straight out of the fryer, boiling hot, and incredibly crunchy, here is the golden rule. Always order them with no salt. When you do this, the fast food employees legally cannot give you the old batch because everything in the tray is already salted. They are forced to drop a brand new, fresh batch of fries into the oil just for you. Sure, it might take an extra 2 minutes, but the reward is worth it. Once they hand you that burning hot bag of fresh fries, simply ask for a few salt packets on the side, dump them into the bag, give it a good shake, and enjoy the freshest fries of your life. Which of these hacks are you trying first? Comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more secret menu hacks. See you in the next one.